As you know, on this show, we like to suggest ways you can support local farmers and local agriculture. Today, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite ways to support local farming by investing in community-supported agriculture, or CSA. A CSA is a simple arrangement where you buy a share of a farm, as you would buy a share in a business. However, in a CSA, rather than a return of profits, you get a share of the produce on that farm. For people who like to support local agriculture and like to know more about where their produce comes from, a CSA is a perfect way to make that connection. Some CSAs work with one farm, while others may combine up to 4 to 5 farms to give you a wider range of produce. Some CSAs will drop the produce at your house, while others have a weekly pickup site in a convenient location. To tell us more about CSA, we are joined today by Jane and Jeff Way with Ida Valley Farm in Garfield, Minnesota. They are going to tell us about the advantages of CSA for farmers and consumers.
Our farm was started about 10 years ago as a market farm, and we did several farmers market a week, and we decided we wanted to build more relationship with our customers and reach out to them in different ways. And so we started the CSA this past year as a way to try to build up more relationships with them. You can't beat fresh food, and it will help you also learn different ways of preparing those meals. There's a lot of good things about a CSA.
CSAs are also flexible. You can buy a full share or a half share. You can invest with your neighbors and split the produce. Many options are available.
My advice is to go ahead and try it, because what you're doing is you're building a relationship with the farmer and also building a relationship with the other CSA members, and you're trying new foods and fresh food.
In Minnesota, we are lucky to have more than 200 CSA farm options. To find one close to you, go to minnesotagrown.com.